Hi, folks. Welcome to the Marketing Essentials Assessment 2 by yours truly, Mary Grace Enoroso. We're gonna talk about Jollibee. Jollibee is a Filipino chain of fast food restaurants owned by Jollibee Foods and Corporations (JFC), which serves as its flagship brand. Established in 1978 by Tony Tan Caktiong, it is the Philippines' top fast food restaurant according to the Manila Standard Business on 2023 garnered 88% rating against McDonald's 67%. And it is among the world's fastest growing restaurants as of 2024 by Brand Finance. We're gonna go to history of Jollibee from this Jollibee parlor from 1975 to this. The world's largest well-loved brand. Over 10,000 stores international. The red ones are the locations. From 1975 milestone, where the ice cream business started, to 2023 world's best companies by Time Magazine. And consistently in the Time Magazine's World's Best Company in the third time during 2025, the current. Learning integration. Marketing tools includes the peso analysis, letter P, political, involves the food safety and health standards, foreign investment and franchise policies. Economic involves the inflation and raw materials cost, disposable income and currency fluctuations. Preference as a social, cultural factor, preference for localized menus, growing health consciousness. The technology involves digitalization and automation. Laws, consumer laws, labor laws, environmental is the sustainability. Marketing tool number 2 is SWOT analysis, the strength, strong brand recognition, and customer loyalty, unique and locally inspired menu like Chicken Joy and Jollibee spaghetti. Perception of unhealthy meals, high sodium and high sugar, weaknesses. Opportunities are the global expansion of new markets. Integrated marketing communications involves not only a marketing tool for Jollibee, it is a structure that links together the stories of its brands around the world using the traditional and digital. Consumer buying decision process involves 5 stages. First one is the recognition of needs. Jollibee products are food, so internal stimulus like hunger and thirst satisfies the basic needs of consumers in the Maslow's hierarchy of needs, the physiological needs. Second is the information search. The internal search recalls past experience. External search, the app. By using TikTok, Facebook, Jollibee mukbangs influences the buying decisions. Look at that Samtu's spaghetti. Consumer buying decision, third process stage, evaluation of alternatives, competitors like McDonald's and KFC. The value for money and speed for service using robotics and kiosks for faster transactions. Purchase decisions. It includes the low level of involvement. Fast food. Drive-thrus. Consumer decision process, the last stage is the post-purchase evaluation satisfaction that minimizes cognitive dissonance. Here is the blockbuster lines during the openings worldwide. There is the Times Square Jollibee advertisement here. You can see in the YouTube advertisement analysis, Jollibee's message from the future. It focused on the emotional advertisement strategy. They used the COVID-19 pandemic as a consistent brand personality, joy of family. Target market is the Filipino and the secondary are the non-Filipinos. Imagery and design, cinematic black and white depict the pandemic struggle, transitioning to color of hope, then language sentimental, value family. Product integration, there was a Jollibee products, targets are fragmented Filipino diaspora. Platform, uses digital platform, YouTube, and integrated marketing communications. It's emotional branding. Reference group are the family of Filipino. Attention, AIDA model includes suggestions, shift to the focus from the Filipino family to the universal. Joy of home cooked. So you should focus on the universal markets as well. Click here. Recommendations, easier touch points, leading to easier access. My reflections, emotional branding, IMC plan to ensure all messages digital print consistently delivers this core emotional value. That's all, folks. Thank you.